Ever wondered how some people just seem to have a natural charm that attracts everyone around them? Like they walk into a room and it's like a spotlight follows them and everyone's smiling? Well, today we're going to uncover the secrets to getting any girl you want. And trust me, it's not about cheesy pickup lines or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about being your best self and making a genuine connection. We'll be sharing real-life examples and practical steps that you can start using today. Because everyone deserves to find love, and sometimes you just need a little nudge in the right direction. 1. They're more important than you think. Alright, let's be honest. First impressions are everything. It's like trying a new brand of coffee. You know, in those first few sips if you're hooked or not. Meeting someone new is the same way. Make sure that first impression is unforgettable. It's all about confidence. Confidence is like wearing an amazing outfit. When you feel good, you look good. Start by making eye contact. It can be nerve-wracking, but it makes a difference. It shows you're engaged and brave. Throw in a genuine smile. A real smile lights up the room. Now let's talk about the handshake. Avoid the limp or bone-crusher handshake. A firm handshake is all you need. It shows you're confident and approachable. First moments set the tone. Stand tall, make eye contact, smile, and offer a firm handshake. Confidence is the key that unlocks everything. 2. Listen up. Being a good listener is like having a secret weapon. Okay, so you've mastered the art of the first impression, you've got her attention, now what? This is where the real magic happens, folks. It's time to show her that you're a good listener. Think about it. Have you ever been in a conversation with someone who's just waiting for their turn to talk? Yeah, it's not a good feeling, is it? Now imagine talking to someone who hangs on to your every word. That's the kind of person you want to be. So how do you become a good listener? First, put away your phone. Make eye contact, nod your head, and ask open-ended questions. Trust me, people love to talk about themselves. Remember, being a good listener is a superpower. It shows you care, builds connection, and makes people feel valued. 3. Be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Okay, this might sound cliché, but I'm serious. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not just to impress a girl. It's like wearing a pair of shoes that are 2 sizes too small. Sure, they might look fancy, but they're going to hurt like crazy. And eventually, you're going to have to take them off. Authenticity is magnetic. When you're comfortable in your own skin, it shows. You're more relaxed, more engaging, and more fun to be around. Think about the people you enjoy spending time with the most. Aren't they the ones who are genuine? The ones who aren't afraid to be themselves, quirks and all? So how do you let your true self shine through? It's all about being comfortable with who you are. Embrace your quirks, celebrate your passions, and don't be afraid to let your guard down a little. Share your thoughts and feelings, even the ones that make you feel a little vulnerable. Vulnerability is not a weakness, it's a strength. It shows you're real, and real is always better than fake. Remember, you are unique and special in your own way, and that's something to be celebrated. So go out there and be the best version of yourself. The right girl will appreciate you for exactly who you are. 4. Humor, your secret weapon to her heart. Okay, let's talk about humor. A good sense of humor is like having a superpower. It can break the ice, lighten the mood, and make people feel more comfortable around you. It's like a universal language that everyone understands. Now, I'm not saying you have to be a stand-up comedian to win a girl's heart, although it couldn't hurt, right? But being able to make her laugh is a surefire way to make a connection. Laughter releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in our brains, and when someone makes us laugh, we naturally associate those positive feelings with them. So, how do you inject some humor into your interactions? Well, start by paying attention to what makes her laugh. Does she have a dry, sarcastic wit? Does she love silly puns? Once you figure out her sense of humor, you can tailor your jokes and stories accordingly. don't be afraid to be a little self-deprecating. Making fun of yourself shows you don't take yourself too seriously and can be incredibly endearing. Just remember to keep it lighthearted and avoid any jokes that might be hurtful or offensive. 5. Respect, it's non-negotiable. All right, let's talk about something that should go without saying, but unfortunately sometimes needs to be said. Respect. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship, romantic or otherwise. It's about treating someone with kindness, consideration, and valuing them for who they are. Respect means listening to her opinions, even if you don't agree with them. It means valuing her time and not making her feel like she's an afterthought. It means being mindful of her boundaries and not pressuring her into anything she's not comfortable with. Respect also means being supportive of her dreams and aspirations. Encourage her passions, celebrate her successes, and be there for her during challenging times. A true partner is someone who uplifts and empowers the other person to be their best selves. Remember, respect is not just about grand gestures. It's about the little things too. It's about holding the door open for her, listening attentively when she's talking, and treating her with kindness and courtesy, even when you're having a bad day. 6. Building connections that last, finding common ground. So, you've mastered the art of conversation, you're treating her with respect, and you're letting your true self shine through. Now it's time to take things to the next level by building a deeper connection. And how do you do that? By finding common ground, of course. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What makes your heart sing? Chances are she has passions and interests too, and finding those shared interests is like discovering a hidden treasure. It gives you something to bond over, something to talk about for hours on end, and something to build shared experiences around. So, how do you uncover those shared passions? Well, communication is key. Ask her about her hobbies, her interests, her dreams. What does she love to do in her free time? What are her favorite books, movies, or TV shows? You might be surprised at what you have in common. Once you've discovered some shared interests, suggest activities you can do together. It could be anything from trying a new restaurant to going on a hike to attending a concert or a sporting event. Shared experiences create lasting memories and help to solidify your bond. 7. Patience is a virtue, especially in matters of the heart. And finally, we come to the last, but certainly not least, important tip: be patient. In a world of instant gratification, it can be tempting to want everything right now. But when it comes to matters of the heart, patience is key. Building a meaningful connection takes time. It's like growing a garden. You can't just plant a seed and expect it to bloom overnight. It takes time, care, and nurturing to blossom into something beautiful. Don't rush the process. Let things unfold naturally. Give her the time and space she needs to develop her feelings for you. Bombarding her with attention or coming on too strong can be overwhelming and might scare her away. Instead, focus on building a genuine connection. Be present in the moment, enjoy each other's company, and let things progress at a natural pace. Trust me, the best things in life are worth waiting for. Remember, love is not a race, it's a journey. Enjoy the ride, be patient, and trust that the right person will be worth the wait. Unlock her heart. Your journey starts now. So there you have it, the secrets to winning her heart. Remember, confidence, genuine interest, authenticity, humor, respect, emotional connection, and patience are the keys to building a meaningful connection. Start applying these tips today and see the difference they make in your interactions. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself, be respectful, and have fun. Love is a beautiful thing, and with a little effort, you can find it too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and advice. And remember, you're awesome, you're worthy of love, and the right person will see that. Now go out there and unlock those hearts.